Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. This is Preet, and today is a day off. We're actually going out to meet our group. You will get to see everyone. A lot of coffee, nice food, some quick chit chat, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do not skip and watch through the whole video, and make sure you do subscribe to our channel. We are growing as a family, and I'm really excited all the fun content that's going to come up on the channel. I am already all set to go, and our cab is waiting outside, so let's quickly go. I will see you guys once I'm at the restaurant. We are going to a hashtag food kind of a place. It is located in Brampton, so we will let you know how the food is and how the ambience looks at the restaurant. You will also get to meet everyone. So let's go, because I am running late as always, but I will definitely take you guys along. So let's go. Okay, we are here at the hashtag foods, and let's go.
Hello, good.
How are you? Let me do
Always
a face
awesome.
Zoom.
Please do
A face zoom as well. Alright guys, we are done at the cafe. We still need to take the reviews from everyone, so let's see how or what.
The cold coffee was good.
Thing. So we ordered a paneer tikka pizza. We ordered veg
Masala
noodles
fries.
and masala fries.
Good.
So yeah, apparently out of 10 things, only one thing was good. So I mean, if you do want to come and just have something to chit chat, and maybe if you like the Indian flavors, that's something that you can try on.
And
but
this
do
was
not.
nothing- Sorry. And this was just of Delhi, so
Oh yeah,
Please.
because she's from Delhi, so she knows the Delhi taste. No, I mean, that's for her. Anyway, Delhi, not Delhi. I didn't really like. Let's ask
the
Shivani.
pasta was good. My friend was there, so she offered me the pasta. I think the pink pasta that the owners also recommended. It was not spicy, too spicy, but it was still flavorful. And rest other things were very mediocre.
Yeah. So okay. So yeah. So that was the thing. We didn't really like the food. We didn't really like the drinks any much. I am actually craving some nice coffee. So we are going to Starbucks nearby, and it's time to have some nice coffee. The weather's really good. It's not that cold. It's like 2 degrees. Feels like -2, so which is not bad. Plus there is still time, so we're going to spend some time in Starbucks, have some coffees, maybe discuss few more things, and we'll head once we are at the Starbucks. Piche रहेगी गुरलीन. हाँ, dumak. Okay, do you guys want to say something?
Want to work tomorrow? As always.
Yeah.
You have a day to look forward to. You know, it's exciting. It's stressful, but it's exciting. Yes.
It's exciting going back to office.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I-
new things to look forward for. Yeah.
Yeah.
I still have to tomorrow, but
And we
yes.
have to go back to the stress tomorrow. What new bomb is gonna explode in our faces?
Office is always stressful. Well, me and Rubal, we're gonna stay home. We have to look forward to just cozy bed. But it was fun. It was fun coming out after a long time. The weather is really nice today though, right?
It's not that
It's
cold.
gonna snow
100% on Wednesday.
but it's like the weather is like -1, -2, so it's not gonna be bad.
Yeah, the weather.
It's just gonna be
has
slushy.
been good for last week, so
It's just gonna be a little slushy.
yeah.
Basically, mess on the roads, hard to walk. The week's gonna be really busy. I guess everyone has to go back to office, but we are planning to catch up soon. Okay, so we've reached Starbucks. It was only 5 minutes walk. Let's have some nice coffee.
कभी खुशी कभी गम कौन सी मूवी है क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू भी आइए आइए आइए
कभी सास भी कभी हाँ बाहर से
अब अंदर खड़े हो नहीं तुम जाओ अच्छा
Start.
I'll open हाँ ठीक है रेडी
हाँ हाँ रेडी है चलो Alright guys, that was fun. Had a lot of fun with the friends. Now it's time to head back home. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy and take care. Bye-bye. Alright guys, had a lot of fun with the friends. Now it's time to head back home. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy and take care. Bye-bye.